Zoho Books has 6 plans for US users in 2026. Let me break down every plan and then show you exactly how they stack up against each other so you can pick the right one without guessing. Free is $0. One user plus an accountant. Up to 1,000 invoices and 1,000 expenses per year. You get quotes, bank reconciliation, recurring invoices, W-9 management, 1,099 tracking and filing, online payments, and 50 plus reports. Solid for solo operators with basic needs, but no bank feeds, no tax tracking, and no API access. Standard is $15 annually. 3 users, 5,000 invoices. Bank feeds come in here, along with sales tax tracking, 1,099 e-filing with the IRS, progress invoicing, recurring expenses, transaction locking, custom fields, custom reports, journal templates, and API access at 2,000 requests per day. This is where real bookkeeping starts. Professional is $40 annually. 5 users, 10,000 invoices. Adds multi-currency, inventory tracking, sales and purchase orders, price lists, project management with timesheets and profitability, retainer invoices, purchase approvals, custom user roles, 10 workflow rules, and team collaboration via Zoho Click. API bumps to 5,000 requests per day. Premium is $60 annually. 10 users, 25,000 invoices. Adds revenue recognition with 2 rules: fixed asset management, budgeting, cash flow forecasting, vendor portal, custom domain, 10 custom modules, validation rules, webhooks, custom functions, and Zoho Sign. Up to 200 workflow rules. API at 10,000 requests per day. Elite is $120 annually. 10 users, 100,000 invoices. The inventory tier, warehouse management, serial and batch tracking, composite items, bin locations, up to 2,000 per warehouse, shipping labels, shipment tracking, Shopify integration up to 2 stores, plus Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. Also unlocks unlimited revenue recognition, unlimited custom reports, report builder, and dashboard customization. Ultimate is $240 annually. 15 users, 100,000 invoices. Everything in Elite, plus advanced analytics 50, plus pre-built visualizations, KPI tracking, collaborative reporting, embeddable reports, and 3 million data rows via Zoho Analytics. Custom modules expand to 25 bin locations to 5,000 per warehouse. Now let's compare directly. Free versus standard. Standard is worth the $15 if you need bank feeds, sales tax tracking, or 1,099 e-filing. Free can't do any of those. If you're invoicing clients regularly and need compliant books, standard is the minimum. Standard versus professional. The jump to $40 makes sense the moment you need inventory, multi-currency, projects, or purchase orders. Standard has none of that. Professional also adds workflow automation and custom user roles, important once you have a team. Professional versus premium. At $60, premium adds budget management, cash flow forecasting, fixed asset management, and serious customization with custom modules, webhooks, and validation rules. If you're running a business that needs financial planning tools or custom workflows beyond basic automation, premium is the step up. Premium versus Elite at $120 is specifically for product-based businesses. If you're selling physical goods across multiple warehouses or channels like Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy, Elite is the only plan that handles it. If you're a service business, Premium is likely the ceiling you need. Elite versus Ultimate. The $120 jump to $240 is entirely about analytics. If you need deep data visualization, KPI dashboards, and collaborative reporting, Ultimate justifies the cost. For most businesses, Elite is the stopping point. Standard is the best entry point for serious use. Professional handles most growing businesses. Premium suits operations that need process control. Elite is for product companies. Ultimate is for data-heavy scaling operations. All paid plans come with a free trial, no risk to test before committing. If you want a full comparison of Zoho Books against Xero or QuickBooks, that video is linked below. Like and subscribe. If this helped, see you in the next one.